Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the app that matches your workflow. Choose a simple Notes app or one with widget support so you get quick glance access. Once chosen, make sure your device platform, iOS, Android, Windows, or Mac OS, supports home screen shortcuts or widgets. This matters because widgets behave differently across systems. Then grant the app necessary permissions for storage and notifications, because without them shortcuts may be limited. Start the creation flow now. Open the app and create the note you want. You now form the note to pin, keep it concise, or create a template for repeated use since short content reads well at a glance. Next, use the app's Add to Home, Widget, or Shortcut feature. On Android, long press the home screen and choose Widgets. On iOS, go to the Widget Gallery. On Windows or Mac OS, use the app's Pin or Shortcut option. Place the widget or shortcut where it's easiest to reach, and resize it if the system allows so important lines remain visible. You finish by testing the pin note. Tap it to open, edit, and verify changes sync back to the app. This confirms the shortcut works as intended. Make sure the note is backed up or synced to the cloud, because that prevents loss if you switch devices. If the widget or shortcut disappears or shows stale content, re-add it, check app permissions and sync settings, and update the app. Sometimes a quick restart of the device resolves widget refresh issues. Do that before deeper trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.